Tunku Makota Ismail Youth Center, located in Johor Bahru, is a one center with various facilities for character building and physical exercise. These include a rock yard, skate park, pump track, mountain bike trail, and many more. They provide the much needed space for the youth to remain physically healthy. The youth can interact, conduct activities together, and learn through experiential exposures on teamwork and leadership. Currently, TMIYC is working on upgrading the skate park for the use by the local community.
The analysis of identified hazard using hazard identification, risk assessment and risk control, which is in the terms of HIRARC. This will include the process of assessing risk according to the likelihood and the severity. Based on the identified hazard, it shows that the first hazard is part of the medium risk level due to the severity and likelihood is in the range of 3. The second hazard is slightly higher, which is in the risk level of 12 from the likelihood of 4 and the severity of 3. The third hazard is a scale of 8, which came from the likelihood of 4 and the severity of 2. Last but not least of the hazard is the risk of level of 5 with the likelihood of 5 and the severity of 1.
From our observation when conducting a preliminary site visit at SKATEPARK Johor Bahru, we identified a few risks and hazards from working on construction sites. Here are some common hazards in construction, such as exposure to hazardous substance, struck by objects, slip, trips and falls, hand-arm vibration syndrome, material handling manual and equipment. Recommendation to prevent the protection hazards. First, to reduce harm due to slips, trips and falls by ensuring that all operatives provided obstruction-free access and egress to their working areas. Second, workers must be monitored and given appropriate treatment when using vibrating tools and equipment. For manual training, the management sites must be provided to ensure employees can lift and carry material safely. PPE is typically used on construction job sites, including safety helmets, gloves, safety boots, earplugs, and muffs. To lessen this risk, it is crucial for construction companies to put safety first by developing suitable safety processes, offering sufficient training, and guarantee compliance with pertinent laws and standards.
Knowledge of safety and health is essential for engineering practices in the construction sector. The following essential elements illustrate the connection between engineering practices and knowledge of the safety and health. The first one is hazard identification and assessment. Engineers can identify potential hazards on construction sites and evaluate the risks that go along with them using their safety and health knowledge. Second one, risk management and control. Engineering understanding of safety and health aids in the efficient management of risk throughout the construction process. This entails putting control measures into place to lessen identified hazards, like creating safe work practices, giving appropriate training, and making sure personal protection equipment is used correctly. Last but not least, designing safety into project. To prevent accidents and create a safe working environment, engineers incorporate safety features and consideration into their designs, designing equipment and structures with suitable safety features such as guardrails, safety barriers, or fall protection system falls under this category.